Okay, this is actually a voiceover of the original video that I made. So for some reason, I filmed the video, but there was no sound. So I guess the lesson here is never buy an Asus. Never buy an Asus, please. Just don't. Okay, so the video is playing, and I'm doing a voiceover, which is really strange. But what I'm showing you is the original video that I showed you of how to solve this problem. And I'm trying to give you an alternative method of solving it. And I believe that would be less confusing for most of you because we know how to complete the square. Wait. So what I'm doing is completing the square, and I arranged the formula so it's easier for you to see the equation. I said formula, but and what's going to happen is we're going to divide the -6 by 2 and square it, and there's a +9, and I point at that. And then you subtract the 9 on the other over to the right on the same side of the equation because you have to keep it balanced. And the same happened with the 2y. So divide it by 2, you make two perfect squares, you move it to the other side, you determine what your radius, well, I don't want to get ahead. I think I talked about this for a little bit and just said it's kind of confusing, so you don't really need it. It is helpful. Here we go, and then we created two perfect squares, and we have the equation of the circle. And this is number 10 from 3.4. So this is probably an easier method for this class. Not this class, and I don't want to be condescending, but I believe that other equation, if it confuses you, you don't want to memorize it, go ahead. There's my YouTube playlist here. That's what I've been listening to. But go ahead and just complete the square with both variables because you will encounter that problem in the future.